working with FinOne now for almost 6 years. The way things have shaped up, the way the product has been built, we can blindly trust this system.
AI is like fire. You can use it to cook food or burn some house.
AI has two sides to it. The first side, which you mentioned, vanity, right, is going to end up making you lazy, is going to end up clouding your thoughts, clouding your creativity, and at the end of the day, you will lack the meaning or the purpose of work that you're doing. So it's a positive step for India globally.
Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Thanks for joining in to this episode of Nuclear Software Podcast. And I'm so happy to welcome, I have a guest, Mr. Ganesh Prabhu, Director and Head of Products for PayU Finance with us. And they have been building quietly and steadily stunning stuffs and helping grow the book and fulfill the dreams of their customers in a big way. Welcome to this show, Ganesh.
Nice. Thank you so much. Thanks for having me here. I think it's my pleasure. I think we've been working with FinOne now for almost 6 years. And the way things have shaped up, the way the product has been built, like we can blindly trust this system and, scale our business. So, yeah.
Superb. Thank you. Thank you for taking time out. So let's first just talk about how do you see this whole system changing in India? It seems like in a global world, right? India is suddenly waken up. The giant has waken up, and the kind of energy even here at the Global FinTech Fest, it is like a party vibe and innovation and activities are buzz. How do you see it?
No, I think it's a positive step for India globally. We are at a center stage right now. We always had the benefit of the demography, the population factor played in, right. Um, India has seen scale across the financial sector, right. So even when big banks like ICICI, they started their retail story in 2005-6, right. We always knew we had the potential, right. What you're seeing today is something that we always believed in as a country. And I think this generation, the Gen Z, the millennials, they have a very different vibe, in terms of the consumer behavior that they're showcasing. I think this is fantastic. I think it's uh, in some years we will definitely be we are already a fintech leader, but yeah, I think we are no less than US right now. We are on our way, to become the global giants, right, for fintech.
Superb, superb. Now, something very unique, Ganesh, that you manage products that are serving right from a, person who is probably a 50 plus to somebody who is just turned 18, right? To my viewers, Lazy Pay is also managed by Ganesh, and from that learning to pay you learning, and you use products across. How do you see this behavioral change happening in India?
So I think we have been very focused in terms of the segment that we are catering to, right? So as you said, like we have different line of products, right? We have a term loan product, we have a checkout finance kind of product, right?
Yes.
So it actually helps us be confident in our story of lending, right? When you talk about checkout finance kind of a product, right? You know the purpose for which the consumer is actually trying to get that.
Yeah.
And that is the basic principle, right? We are not doing blind lending. Like we are doing lending with purpose. We have a vision, right? And that helps us drive our effort into profitability,
Hmm.
right? That helps us drive our growth with definite purpose,
Hmm.
right? And that's what I think is the is the future for lending industry. Purpose driven lending, right? Sustainable PNL and responsible credit eligibility checks, responsible credit approvals, and then catering to a consumer segment which is very ambitious, right? This segment specifically, which is around, between the age of 25 to 30, right? They are ambitious folks, right? So they know that, so they have a desire and they know how to fulfill it. They will look out for ways, they will look out for apps. We need to be present at the right time, at the right place. And I think that's where the sustainable lending comes into picture, right? So we need to be there in front of them. They need to have trust in us. And once you have built that trust, then you can easily scale.
This is so very interesting word that you have used, lending with purpose. It
Yeah.
actually goes back to philosophy that what Nucleus did when we started way back in 1996. And people, for the viewers, they might not know that the company India has been known IT services as a service sections. But what Nucleus did 40 years back roughly is decided to start a product company from India. And we are so proud to share, right? We are serving 200 plus banks and NBFC globally in 53 countries.
Wow.
Yes, that's the power of product that we are talking about. And our founder, Mr. Vishnu Dusad, he said, I want to build products from India for the world. And we are very proud, and fortunate actually. Just like you said, there might be people from ICICI Bank, the veteran, in the lending industry, in the IT side, you will have someone from the nucleus, a fellow nucleate, working and building the technology and supporting it. Right?
Absolutely.
Have you seen it?
Yeah, absolutely. In fact, and I can, mention this. So when I was working with ICICI and then with Aditya Birla Finance, there were few incidents where we were going to these workshops. We were talking about these new products, right? So if you see, buy now pay later has started trending after COVID. Yes, like the uptick that happened after COVID, right? And then at one point of time, we met few folks who referred to, yeah, if you have to have a robust LMS, and more to do, when I say robustness, it is more to do with the lending guidelines, right?
Yes, the
Because
RBI
the
guidelines.
RBI guidelines, right? So that robustness, right? I think the fingers point in one direction, which is FinOne.
Yes,
And that's the beauty of the product that you have, right?
right.
You go anywhere, even RBI, if they come for audit and they will look at the ledgers, they will look at the balance sheet. And FinOne is a standard product, and it's been so consistent for last, almost, like, now with buy now pay later, coming into picture after
Yeah.
COVID. But last 7-8 years, we have seen the way things have grown,
Yes.
right? I think absolutely stunning the way you guys have maintained the product levels, the volumes
Yeah.
at which the business is done, and you're supporting that. Fabulous, man. Super.
Thank you. Thank you. So, Ganesh, one last question.
Yeah.
Uh, AI. Let's talk about something that is always happening. There are two kinds of, it's two schools of thought.
Yeah.
There is AI for vanity metrics. Just write a better email, make it faster, and then making mistakes, right? And then there is AI with purpose, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
How are you seeing it from the lens with your expertise, and how do you see this panning out?
So I think, as you rightly said, right, AI has two sides to it, right? The first side, which you mentioned, vanity, right, is going to end up making you lazy, is going to end up clouding your thoughts, clouding your creativity, and at the end of the day, you will lack the meaning or the purpose of work that you're doing, right? My personal preference is, I don't use AI for generating some content which I have to circulate internally, or which I can, I know for sure I'll write it on emails, right? But we are looking at AI differently, right? So one thing that I'm sure you guys must have faced when you were building this product was that you require tech bandwidth, you require a roadmap, you require a product roadmap, and then you'll keep prioritizing stuff, right? So there are 10 things. So as a head of product, my I can see the obstacle that I normally face is, I know I have 10 things, I have to prioritize 6 things, but नीचे की 3 चीजें भी मुझे करनी है,
Yes.
right? The tech bandwidth that I have can only help me, or kind of, it can only fund those 5-6 things
Yeah.
and help me achieve the delivery of those 5-6 things, right? But नीचे की 4 चीजों का क्या करूँ?
Hmm.
So then why not use Cursor AI? Why not use an AI tool, right?
Yeah.
So if you're able to leverage AI in the right direction,
Hmm.
right, where you can ensure that your time to market is kind of minimum, right? You can definitely grow much faster than what you're growing today, right? So one more example, I can give you here. Earlier, when you used to do marketing and branding, right, we used to have a script. We used to create a ad of, let us say, 2 minutes or 3 minutes max, right? Used to have a script, used to go to the agency, tell them this is the theme. They used to find models, right? Then there used to be shooting, right? And all of this could have easily cost you somewhere to the tune of 10 lakhs, 15 lakhs. It can go up to a different number, depending on what the brief is, right? Today you have Google AI, you have your VO, right? VO3, yeah, VO3.
Yeah.
You can just take a subscription for 25,000 bucks
Yeah.
and you can generate video. So if you kind of churn out 5 6 videos, right, 5,000 per video,
Yeah.
that's superb. You have these, you don't need these models, right? And you can definitely deliver your message quite clearly,
Yeah.
right? Which you really maybe could have done, could have not done, depending on the agencies, right?
Right.
So this is superb. I think AI can be helpful if you use it in the right direction, and if you're able to drive it with purpose, and if you're able to drive it in a way where it helps everyone, right?
Yes. Yeah.
And that's when the synergies will play out.
Right.
I think we need to focus on that rather than just checking for if AI can make my work easy, can I draft emails. I think that's not the way to use AI.
Brilliant. So what Ganesh is trying to say in a nutshell, if I can say, is that AI is like fire. You can use it to cook food or burn some house. It's up to you what is your purpose, and try to use it mindfully. Thank you so much, Ganesh, for giving your time and coming to us. And we look forward to keep serving you and keep developing products which scale and keeps you ahead, and win our clients and help you win your clients more. Thank you
Thank you
so much.
so much.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you.
Take care.